Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Jaegermoto. It's that blue moon that just came around, and now we're dropping another banger. But right now we're on the way to a parking garage, and we're gonna go meet up with Bailey, my friend, my brother. Man, I'm so excited because I've been wanting to do a video with him for so long, since I moved out of Missouri, and now we're in Florida making a video together. I know John is punching air, Munjin is eating glass, but anyways, as you guys can see, I'm wearing leathers. Yeah, your boy bought a jacket, and it's hot as balls out here. Yeah, this ain't nothing to play with, man. This sucks a lot. Safety sucks a lot, but it's worth it in the end. So now we're just gonna go to the parking garage, wait for him to meet us there, because of course he's running fashionably late. And yeah, other than that, I got some big news for the good old motocicleta, and we're gonna move on from there and then enjoy the ride. So we'll see you guys right back. What's up, guys? So look who it is. Hi, guys. It's hot as balls out here, and we're gonna get some gas, and then after that we're gonna start the ride. Such a great day to be an American, and with Bailey, you know. We're new boot goofing out here too. You know, he doesn't have Alpine Star money, but he has Dainese money. Now I can start recording, basically. Oh, let's do the big boy money. Only the best for this. Hey, man. $5. It also sucks a little bit, not gonna lie. It really does suck. I ain't gonna cap to you. We are now following Bailey Deronicus. Are we doing a U-turn? Oh, great. My biggest fear. I'm just playing. That's like my biggest scare, is like taking a U-turn and then maxing out the clip-ons and then just falling, just falling. You know how embarrassing that would be? Yes, bro. Sigma Gamma Rho. Oh, we messed up. Ah, there's a speed bump. Bro, how does this not connect? That don't make no sense. I was like, I'm not gonna go through a speed bump again at like that speed. That's crazy. My nuts are gonna hit the tank. And I had my turn signal on the entire time. Where are we? So, if you haven't already been aware, there's a color theme going on here, and it's red. Now, I still wear my blue pista, but the bike is no longer going to be blue. It is now going to be a different color. Obviously, it's not going to be blue, you fuck. Anyways, that color will be undisclosed later in a reveal video. I'm not saying it right now, there's no point. But just know, it's going to match his bike very well. Literally. Literally. So if you can't guess off that, and there's a cop, oh my god, I'm scared. It's so gorgeous out here. I love my little state. There's nothing little about it, but you know what I mean, damn it. There's literally nothing little about Florida, but just the vibe, I guess. Even in Orlando, it's like very like beachy. I don't know, it's weird. Yeah, like you still got palm trees in the middle of Florida in the city. That light does not work. What are we doing? So to our right here, we have the famous exodus of a destination called the Orlando Eye. You can't see it right now because there's hella trees. Dude, I would never ride that thing. Look at that. Up in front of you, the blue thing. Yeah. Bro, I would never ever ride that ever in my life. Can you imagine one of the chains just comes loose? Bro, and you're just dangling by your feet. But I would know all of Revelations by the time I hit the ground. I would have repeated my favorite Bible verse like about 13 times before I died. And I would have thrown up too. That's another thing. I don't like going in a circle like that. I would have puked out all the McDonald's I just ate, Big Mac and all. I mean, the jacket has like vents in it, like the little holes, but like, how good do you think that really works? You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I learned my lesson. Next time I'm just gonna come in a t-shirt. Put him in a t-shirt. Yeah, but you're black. Oh, that's funny. We're about to hit the highway. I'm following you, son. You're a crazy guy. I like that. Oh, that feels so much better. Oh my god. Yes, bruh. I can feel my arms just drying up inside my sleeves. Just getting super crusty. I was like, doesn't like this highway give off like Texas vibes? Yeah. Yeah. And the city. Wow! Amazing! I would like to live in one of those apartments, not gonna lie. Like the black ones? Or like that building right there? The really dark one? I bet you the rent is like at least 2K. We're passing Magic Stadium. Yeah, they're garbage anyways. They're caca anyways. Dude, I think I know where I'm at. I'm being so serious right now. I think my house is that way. My house is that way. I don't know how far that way, but it's somewhere that way. What? That was crazy. Oh shit! We're going to Disney World because that's where the magic happens. Alright, son, take this right exit on the right. Don't get hit by no car, right? 53 for me. Let me stop before I catch a cramp. You go in front of me, boo. Yep. Yep, go to the right, all the way to the right. Ooh, we're the only ones, we're the only ones! I ain't gonna lie, that was the best shot ever! Alright, brother. This is me right here, on the right, coming up. Alright, love you, be safe, alright? Hey, let me know when you make it. Say bye to the people. Bye! Alright, bro. Oh, really? Oh, we're not done yet. Yeah! It's almost like for nothing. It's almost like you're gone already. I can already sense it. You're gone. Please don't tell me we're going into that. No way. Oh my God. Yep. Yep. Leg splitting, back tickling, foot smelling, leg tick rubbing. I don't know what I just said. Big back having ass, leg splitting moment. Are we actually doing this? Well, ladies and gents, it's been a great time, a great day. You guys got to see Bailey once again in the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Pretty wild riding, to be honest with you. I don't really like doing it too much, but when I do, it's pretty fun. Hope you catch you guys in the next episode of Yamamoto. Ride safe, be smart, and yeah. Special guest appearance by Jaeger Dad. I need to get a video with him soon. This is a sick looking 400. I actually like the way his looks, and he did the stickers on the side. Custom, baby, custom. Yeah.